The treadmill, a mainstay in many gyms and home fitness setups, offers a versatile platform for various workouts. But if you're looking to burn serious calories, boost metabolism, and get a time-efficient workout, then high-intensity interval training or Hiit on the treadmill might be the perfect solution. This guide, How to Do Hiit on Treadmill, delves into the world of Hiit on the treadmill, providing everything you need to know to get started, create effective workouts, and reap the benefits of this powerful training method. Make sure to watch this video, How to Do Hiit on Treadmill, till the end, so you will gain a lot of information. Unveiling Hiit, the power of intervals. Hiit is a training style that alternates between short bursts of intense exercise, known as intervals, with periods of rest or low-intensity activity. This creates a metabolic demand that continues even after the workout, helping you burn more calories throughout the day. Let's explore the key benefits of Hiit on a treadmill. First, increased calorie burning. Hiit elevates your heart rate and metabolic rate for extended periods after the workout, boosting overall calorie expenditure. Next, improved cardiovascular health. Hiit strengthens your heart and improves your body's ability to use oxygen, enhancing your cardiovascular fitness. Additionally, enhanced fat burning. Hiit can help mobilize stored fat for energy during the intense intervals, promoting fat loss. Time-efficient workouts are another benefit. Hiit workouts can be completed in less time compared to traditional cardio sessions, making them ideal for busy schedules. Lastly, Hiit boosts metabolism by helping build muscle mass, which increases your resting metabolic rate, meaning you burn more calories even at rest. Gearing up for success involves essential pre-workout preparation. Before you hit the treadmill for your Hiit session, here are some crucial preparations. 1. Warm-up. Dedicate 5 to 10 minutes to a light warm-up. This prepares your body for intense activity and helps prevent injuries. Walk at a brisk pace, perform dynamic stretches like arm circles and leg swings, and light jogs. 2. Hydration. Proper hydration is key, especially during Hiit. Drink plenty of water before, during, and after your workout. Aim for 16 to 20 ounces of water 2 to 3 hours before your workout, and sip water throughout the session. 3. Comfortable clothing and shoes. Choose breathable clothing that allows for freedom of movement. Wear well-fitting supportive running shoes for optimal performance and injury prevention. 4. Setting goals. Define your goals for the Hiit session. Is it to improve speed, burn a certain number of calories, or increase endurance? Having a clear goal helps tailor your workout. Crafting your Hiit masterpiece interval structures and workouts. Here are some popular Hiit interval structures and sample workouts to get you started. First, the basic Hiit for beginners. Work interval consists of 30 seconds at a moderate to high running pace. That's about 70 to 80% effort. Then take a rest interval of 60 seconds of walking or light jogging. Repeat this for 8 to 10 cycles. Finally, cool down with 5 to 10 minutes of walking and static stretches. Next up, hill repeats for the intermediate level. Work interval involves 30 seconds running uphill at a high intensity, which is around 80 to 90% effort. The rest interval is 60 seconds of walking or jogging on a flat incline. Repeat for 6 to 8 cycles. Again, cool down with 5 to 10 minutes of walking and static stretches. Lastly, for the advanced, we have Tabata intervals. Work interval is 20 seconds of an all-out sprint, 100% effort, followed by 10 seconds of complete rest. Repeat this intense sequence for 8 cycles, totaling 4 minutes, and as usual, end with a cool down of 5 to 10 minutes of walking and static stretches. Remember, these are just sample workouts. Adjust the intensity, duration, and rest periods based on your fitness level and goals. Mastering your Hiit journey. Important considerations. Here are some key points to remember for a safe and effective Hiit experience. Listen to your body. Push yourself, but don't ignore your body's signals. Take rest periods when needed, and modify the intensity if you experience pain or discomfort. Progression is key. Gradually increase the intensity, duration, or frequency of your Hiit workouts as your fitness level improves. Rest and recovery. Schedule rest days to allow your body to recover and prevent overtraining. Aim for at least 1 to 2 days of rest between Hiit sessions. Fuel your body. Eat a healthy diet that provides enough carbohydrates for energy, protein for muscle repair, and healthy fats for satiety. Consult a professional. If you have any pre-existing health conditions or are new to exercise, consult a doctor or certified personal trainer before starting a Hiit program. They can help you design a safe and effective workout routine based on your individual needs and limitations. Adding variety. Hiit workouts don't have to be monotonous sprints and jogs. Explore different ways to keep your workouts exciting and target various muscle groups. Incline variations. Utilize the treadmill incline feature to add challenge. Alternate between flat intervals, incline sprints, and walking recoveries. Incorporate jumps. During rest periods, add jumping jacks, high knees, or butt kicks to maintain an elevated heart rate and engage additional muscles. Arm swings. While sprinting, incorporate exaggerated arm swings to increase upper body engagement and calorie burn. Tracking your progress. Stay motivated and monitor your progress by tracking your Hiit workouts. This can be done through various methods. Heart rate monitor. Utilizing a heart rate monitor allows you to track your effort during intervals and ensure you're reaching your target intensity zones. Time-based tracking. Simply noting the duration of your work and rest intervals can help you monitor progress and increase them gradually as you get fitter. App tracking. Several fitness apps allow you to track your Hiit workouts, including distance, pace, calories burned, and elapsed time. Safety tips for Treadmill Hiit. Maintain proper form. Focus on good running form throughout your workout to maximize efficiency and prevent injuries. Pay attention to posture, core engagement, and foot strike. Hold on to the rails. During high-intensity intervals, briefly hold on to the treadmill rails for additional stability, especially if you're a beginner. Be aware of your surroundings. If you're working out in a gym, maintain a safe distance from other exercisers, and be aware of your surroundings to avoid collisions. Cool down and stretch. Don't skip the cool down. Dedicate 5 to 10 minutes to walking and static stretches to allow your heart rate to return to normal and prevent muscle soreness. Embracing the Hiit lifestyle, beyond the treadmill. Hiit isn't limited to the treadmill. You can incorporate Hiit principles into various other workout routines, such as bodyweight Hiit. Exercises like jumping jacks, burpees, squats, lunges, and mountain climbers can be combined in a Hiit format for a bodyweight workout. Hiit circuit training. Rotate through various exercises with short rest periods to create a Hiit circuit that targets different muscle groups. Hiit with equipment. Incorporate equipment like dumbbells, kettlebells, or resistance bands into your Hiit workouts for added challenge and muscle engagement. Conclusion. How to do Hiit on treadmill provides a powerful and time-efficient way to boost your fitness, burn calories, and torch fat. By following the key principles outlined in this guide, you can design effective Hiit workouts, stay motivated, and achieve your fitness goals. Remember, consistency is key. Make Hiit a regular part of your fitness routine and watch your physique and health transform. Now get out there, conquer the curve, and enjoy the journey.